Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in this one we're talking about how to set up Jockie Music bot in Discord. So my friends, it's very easy. You just go to the Jockie Music website, which is this address right here. After that, guys, you press on any of these buttons. I'm not really sure why they have 4 of these. Okay, so just press on the very first one. Just like in my case, you will have this window open right over here. And guys, as you can see, Jockie Music will be added to your Discord account. And also you can add it to the server, which I already have chosen. As you can see, it's going to be the test server. After that, just click on continue. Confirm that you want to grant Jockie Music the following permission. Administrator, yes. Authorize. And now the Discord will open. Let us complete the verification. Okay, let's pass this. Okay guys, and as you can see, now we have our Discord bot set up. As you can see, I added it to my test server. In general, as you can see, we have our bot already, and we have basic commands that we can use: play a track, skip the track, make the bot leave the voice channel, etc. So you just can mess around with different commands, and that's pretty much it. The installation is done. Now it's up to you what you want to do with it. So enjoy the video, guys. Hopefully you liked it, and of course subscribe to support our channel. See you in the next one.